Hello guys, welcome to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be looking into how best can we automate our daily decisions using Python. In today's world, we are faced with the decisions like should I cook myself at home or place an order for delivery or go out myself to a nearby restaurant and buy food. Which smartphone should I buy? Should I take a Google Pixel, an iPhone, a Samsung? So here the choices or what to do depends with the conditions, and these conditions depends with your convenience or your priority. For example, buying a smartphone depends with your budget. User-friendly, is it cheap, is it expensive, or the camera, or the quality? It depends with a lot of variables. It depends with a lot of features. And also on food, it depends on whether you have food at home or you have money to buy at the restaurant or to order, and how tired you are. Even sometimes getting food or buying food or cooking depends with the mood. In machine learning and artificial intelligence, as a Python programmer, when coding, you should always prepare a code that solves real-world problems. So your line of code every day should make decisions to resolve as many problems as you can. For example, if someone crosses a red robot with his or her car, you should make sure that you are developing an application. That application is going to charge a fee for that person, either by receiving a message that you have crossed the red robot, pay $20 fee or $300 fine. If an account holder withdraws money or send money, you should do or perform any transaction. Your application or your system should charge the transaction fee, depend with the amount sent or the amount which has been withdrawn using an ATM something. The application you are designed should solve a problem and also should perform some transactional charges. If a user, after buying a voucher and made a call, your application or your program should check the amount to be deducted per second. If you are to deduct 0.001 per second or 0.1 cent per second, it depends. And all these makes a difference. Make sure when you are developing an application as a programmer, the main objective is to solve a problem. We use different symbols to check for different conditions. And these conditions, they are the one which help us as programmers to determine the effectiveness of our programs. We use equal sign to compare two things. Either two things are equal or not. If it is not equal, then it is greater. If it is not greater, then it is smaller than or it is less than. If it is not less than, then it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal. Even so, in conditions, sometimes we have Boolean values. Sometimes the condition can be true and also a condition can be false. So these features or these functions or these attributes or these symbols, they help us as programmers to determine a condition to make our application more effective in making decisions. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson where we shall be looking into detail about the decision making with coding. Bye-bye.